Okay guys, in this video I'm gonna show you union operator. What are the union operator, and in this SQL tab I'm gonna explain you the union. What is union in MySQL? We have two table, for example, students and teachers. We have three data in this student table: Rahul, Priya, Aman, and their city are Delhi, Mumbai, and Delhi. Teachers were Mr. Sharma, Miss Gupta, Mrs. Mehta. Okay, so Delhi, Mumbai, Pune. Okay. What is union operator? First, let's talk about union operator. Union operator are those operator which combine the data. As you can see, every selector statement within union must have the same number of columns. As you can see, there are same number of column in student and teacher table. As I shown you, same number of column. There are same number of column. Okay, name and city, name and city. Okay, this condition is okay. Uh, First, talk about the union operator is used to combine the a result set of two and two more select statements. Okay, let's see how we're gonna do this. Okay, we have this SQL tab. Okay, I'm gonna write select okay, name and city from, okay, select name and city from students. Now I'll write union all select name city from teachers. Okay, let's run this code. Okay, we have error. The use select statement have different number of column. Oh, it's showing we have different number of column. Even I can write, select star, so we don't need to do worries about anything. Okay, let's go. Okay, now you can see we have the data. We got all the data ID. So see, we are getting Rahul, Priya, Aman, Mr. Sharma, Miss Gupta, Mrs. Mehta. Okay, and the city. So here what we did is we combined the data and we are getting all the result. So this is how you can combine the data and get the result. And before, why we got error? Because it has three row and we only called two rows. Okay, we two columns. So now as you can see, it's correct because we used star. Okay, this is how you can use select statement. Like here, you can also use like this: select name from name city from students union all. Uh, let's see it is working or not. Okay, it is working. It is working. It's all right. Okay, so okay, so what we did, we said select name and city. We chosen a name and city. We choose name city from students. Then I said union all. Give union of all. Then I said select name city from teachers, and I given this semicolon. And yes, when we go, then you can see we are getting this name and city. Okay. What if I combine the data, but only of name, not city? Okay, name, only name and name. Okay, let's go. You can see we are getting name of both teacher and the students. So we had three teachers and three students. So three student, as we demand for students first. And even if I see you, let me show you. Select name city from teachers first, teachers, and then I will show you students. Then let's see what we are getting first. We will get teacher list first, as you can see, then we are getting student list. So this is how we use union operator, and it's very useful for in MySQL. Many times you're gonna use this union operator for combining the data and getting data from different table. You can deal with different table using union. Okay, so I hope this would be helpful for you. If you have any doubt, you can let me in the comment section of YouTube or website, wherever you are watching. Okay, so guys, let's meet in the next videos. For now, bye bye, take care.